What's up, YouTube? What's up, everybody? What's going on? How you feeling? How's your day? You know, I hope it's great, because you're great. I'm One Soul, and this is my channel, One Soul Artistic Design. Thank you for coming back. And if you're new, subscribe and hit the bell and check out all the other videos that I got going. So, today, I am going to do another DIY. I'm going to take some string and some sewing needles, and I'm going to sew right here on my beanie. I'm gonna sew my name, One Soul, on my beanie. I don't have a sewing machine. I have to do all hand sewing, and it's gonna take forever and a day. Yeah, it's gonna take forever, so there's a string on my nose, but it's gonna take forever, so let's just get started right now. Let's get to it. Alright, that's gonna be it for that one. This is how it turned out. I like it. When I wear it, I like it. It's right there. But if you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell, and follow all my other social medias. The next video coming up is a different one, different for me. Very different, very different. That's gonna be on Saturday. So if you're interested on what is gonna be very different, catch it on Saturday. It'll be on Saturday. Don't know what time, but it's Saturday. But yeah, hope you liked it. I like my new beanie. I dig it. If you like it, leave a like. And yeah, I'll catch you on Saturday. I'm One Soul, and you stay One Soul.
Standing on my ex, I got her in the fields. Cause I'm getting banks like I'm Uncle Phil. Yeah, I'm getting banks like I'm Uncle Phil, yeah. Oh yeah, broke niggas, nigga, I don't feel, yeah. On my grind all day, I see the bigger picture. Fuck relationships, my goal is getting one shot, yeah. Live my truth like I'm Tupac.